Dialing down and focusing on a niche for sales and landing pages, communication and outreach can seem risky, as it first will appear that you are turning away work. The top reason more web designers or developers don't have a niche is that they believe it will lead to less work, not more. This couldn't be further from the truth. Defining a niche is about attracting more clients, not turning them away. If someone lands on your website from a referral, chances are they will still reach out based on that recommendation they received. The key is, do you want to work with those not in your niche? Only you can answer that. So, then the question comes up. What do you do with visitors and referrals that don't fit into this niche? The key to successfully handling projects outside of your niche is having a network to refer them to. This network then becomes not just a source where you can redirect traffic that could earn you kudos and commission, but it's also a network that will in turn refer projects to you. Having a peer-based referral network is a culmination of dialing in on a niche and becoming clear on what it is you offer and who you serve best. A niche clears confusion and allows others to help one another. It's a better answer than, I build websites, when asked what you do. Saying, I help education-based companies, coaches, and instructors with sharing resources and community sharing online will help someone immediately reply, my brother is a principal of a large private school. I should connect you. When creating your network, do it with a genuine interest in getting to know other website designers and developers and the kind of work and clients they serve. If you ask someone their niche, they may reply, they don't have one. So instead ask them, who do you like working with the most? That will help you guide them to their niche, even if they do not have one well defined. Now, building your network isn't as challenging as you may think. The fact that you are taking this course means you are already engaging in a community, the GoDaddy Pro community. Here at GoDaddy Pro, there are many ways to connect with other web designers and developers like yourself. Take part in online community meetups, events, and forums to get to know others like yourself. Joining groups should take the approach as when you were researching your niche, listening and learning. Don't jump in right away with an ad about yourself and expect to get business. Imagine if someone did that when walking into a room. It would feel unnatural and spammy. Instead, join a group and ask questions, answer questions, be helpful. Get to know what others do by listening. Then, when opportunities come up to share what you do, the conversation will flow in your direction. Secondly, be your own best megaphone with the platforms you have. Update your social profile descriptions with what you do and who you serve. Mention it in your bios and put it in the footer of your email. The bottom of your email is a suitable place for your UVP we worked through in a previous lesson. Another effective way of building your network is through in-person conferences and events. In-person events offer a more natural way to talk about yourself thanks to icebreakers, breakout groups, and social hours. These environments are a wonderful way to find a couple web designers or developers that you can click with on a personal level, more than just professionally. Friendships made in these networks will offer something even better than referrals. They will offer accountability, support, and understanding. With in-person situations, you want to keep an ear to the ground for people who are providing services that you can refer leads to, like e-commerce, mobile apps, or websites with complex security needs. Introduce yourself and let them know you would like to send them referrals when those types of leads come your way. Lastly, consider business training programs that have ongoing community calls, roundtables, virtual meetups, or assigned accountability partners. Although business training programs come with a cost, they can often be a great place to meet people who are at the same level in their career and share a similar mindset. You also get insight into their business as they share their successes and challenges. In all of these situations, when building your network, it is okay and perfectly reasonable to work out a kickback or commission for work you send away to someone in your network. This will give you more confidence in trying to build that network. Just lay out the terms beforehand with your fellow website professional. For example, Sue could say to Tom, Hey Tom, I have a lead who wants an e-commerce site and has a budget of $10,000. I'm happy to send them over to you. Think we can work out a 10% kickback if the lead pans out? For Tom, this is great news. If the project ends up being $10,000, he has just spent $1,000 on acquiring a project perfect for his niche. Could Sue do the website? Sure. She knows WordPress well enough to build it, but she doesn't have the processes for it. There would be a learning curve, and it could come at the expense of her other project schedules. Sue has to decide if it's worth working with the lead at the expense of her current project schedule or sharing it with Tom and getting $1,000 back for the referral. She trusts Tom and knows he's great at e-commerce. Now, if kickbacks and commission aren't your thing, building a network is beneficial when you have website designers and developers who are all niched in their various ways and refer to each other. Think of Sue, who builds websites for mid-sized businesses and education, meeting with someone who just wants to do an SEO and another who just wants to run marketing ads with email funnels. The three of them could have an ongoing network of referring to one another and building up each other's client list. Building a network takes time. It also takes a lot of listening and learning. However, once that network is built, you begin to have a wider reach for potential clients as your network receives leads on their end. Be helpful, genuine, and specific about what you do and who you serve best.